My name is Baiju Shodran. Today I am showing some AutoCAD tools. My previous video I show some AutoCAD tools up to here. How to make offset. So one rectangle I made offset. I just giving offset distance 200. Or offset distance 20. So like that we can give offsets. Okay, stretch commands I given a tutorial for this one. Stretch commands, trim and everything. Okay, so if you watch my previous video, so you can get it that. So today I'm showing some annotations like text as dimensions like that. Okay, for text you can select like this and you can write it AutoCAD tutorial like that. You can for example I'm just showing. So if you want to change the text size, we have here all the text styles are here. So if you are use this one, so if you need like this underline, you just give like this. Okay, so you can just like this center if you need center plus like that you can arrange it. You can change also color by layer also. You can change it if you create a layer for text. I given text. Okay, color I will give like this one. So if it's by layer, so I am changing text, it will come like this. Copy like this. So here also you can if this is a single line text, right? So if you want to change to multi-line, go to express tool, convert to multi-line text. So it will come like the multi-line text. If you explore this one, this is single line text. If you want to convert multi-line text, you can convert like this, and you can change the style also like this. So hopefully you guys understood this one. So I'm going to next one, the dimensions. Okay, you have like this, and I'm taking dimension. Okay, you can take the dimensions like this. If you stretch this one, so here is the dimensions tools. This is the linear one. If you have like this aligned dimension for using for this one. Okay, so if you have like this, you can use aligned dimensions for like that. You can measure. So there was an angle, so you can take the angular dimension, click one point and do. So it will create like this. Okay, so if you need to create angle here, angular dimensions, pick 2 points, so it is created like this. So if you have like this, you can need the angular dimensions, pick 2 points like this. If you need aligned one, you would select like this. You can get 2 points. You will select 1 point here. You can get the dimensions. So next is arc length. you have one arc. So you need this leader. This is a quick leader. If you need something, you need to point out object. So element like that, you can give the quick leader like this. AutoCAD. So normal leader, you just type LE. Like you can give the text here. Okay, so here you can adjust the arrow size if you need like